Kiko's passing safely north of the Hawaiian Islands, but we have another system that could be a major hurricane that could develop before, or if not quickly before, Kiko dissipates. And while the Atlantic is eerily quiet, there is a forecast model hinting at the possibility of a major hurricane hitting the Gulf Coast of the United States later this month. I'll go over all of the forecast models in this video. It's CBS Cyclone Monday, September 8th, 2025. Starting with Hurricane Kiko, it currently has 85-mile-an-hour sustained winds and is weakening. Should be a tropical storm by tomorrow morning, and then will continue to gradually weaken and should be a tropical depression 5 days from now, the 13th. But it will last a little bit longer, like surprisingly longer. This system has already lasted a very long time. It's lasted since the 31st, and then it's forecasted to last at least past the 13th, so a pretty long-lasting system, but that's not totally uncommon for Eastern Pacific systems. This was an Eastern Pacific system. It's now in the Central Pacific, and also currently it's about 350 miles from the big island of Hawaii, so not terribly far, but also not terribly close. But very dangerous rip currents are forecasted, so be on alert for that. Very dangerous seas. Disturbance 1 in the Eastern Pacific currently has a 10% chance of development in the next 2 days and 50% chance of development in the next 7 days. Chances have quickly been rising for this system's development, and I do expect it to develop. Starting with the European model, they show the system developing and becoming a Category 1, maybe Category 2 hurricane, which I wouldn't be totally surprised. I think it could get even stronger than that. The next name on the list is Mario. Yes, like the Italian plumber. I wouldn't be terribly surprised if this did reach Category 3 strength, maybe even Category 4. The GFS model shows this maybe getting to Category 4 strength. And then if you look over in the Gulf, over here on the right side of your screen, it shows maybe a hurricane hitting Louisiana, which the GFS model lately has been saying something very similar to that. Let me go to a previous model run this morning. Their model runs lately have kind of been saying the same story. Either a tropical storm or a hurricane hitting Louisiana. But also there are many more model runs to come. And then an earlier GFS model run showed the system going up and hitting California. I do not think that's going to happen. That is extremely rare. I'd be very surprised if that happened. But the GFS model, their previous model run, they do show it hitting as a tropical storm. But also, there are many more model runs to come. This is like by the 20th. The 20th. So, way out in time. That's like 12 days out. So, yeah, I'll be monitoring all of this for you. Be sure to subscribe. That's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching, and see ya.